It is, I don't even know what time it is. Probably like, no, it's like 3:20 in the morning. And I'm at the airport. I'm gonna go to DR. I'm excited. I'm actually waiting for everybody else to come. Beba, Valentina, and their family. And yeah, so I'm at the airport. We're heading to DR for a few days. And I'm excited. Oh guys, look, I did my nails regular. Let me show you guys this hand, because in the other hand I have a weird looking finger. This one. But this looks better. It's simple white, but look at the little cute little flower. Yeah, this time I didn't put nails, guys. I'm not doing that again. And yeah, then I did 2 little pigtail thingies. Since I'm already getting my hair done on Friday, I didn't want to do it again today. For today. But yeah, I had this regular shirt on, pants, and my Vans. Let's wait for these people. Reina! Hi, girls!
We thought that you were gonna come after.
Yeah. No, I've been here. Came. So I'm sitting here.
I love that, those nails.
Oh, my nails.
At least you don't look like a witch no more.
I know, right? It's simple. I don't want to get anything back. What'd you say?
And on airplane mode in the airport.
Hey. Hi, sir. Right, Dios le bendiga, Dios le bendiga.
Dios le bendiga, te lo guarde 3 de la mañana en JFK, con tu camino de Santiago de los Caballeros.
Hi.
Buenos días, tita.
Hello. Hey guys. So we're here, just waiting. Say hi, Valentina. Valentina.
Oh, hi.
Say hello.
Dominicana, taqueritos.
Oh my God, Dominicana and taqueritos. That's all you hear from them. Yeah, the big bag. There's everybody else. We're just here waiting to board the plane. They're eating snacks in Starbucks. The lady was so like fast in Starbucks, I couldn't even get my drink. She made me nervous. I couldn't even order my drink because I ordered their drink because I was gonna pay separate.
Tita's leaving a bad review.
No, they just opened up, so she was fast. She was already sweating. She just opened up, literally. So I couldn't get my drink because when I was gonna order, she was okay. Step to the side and wait for your order. I was just like, I didn't even get to order my thing. But I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna. She was like, next. I was like, okay. So yeah, I didn't get to order my drink, but it's okay. I'm not really that hungry anyway. Guys, we're going in.
Scared. I am really taqueritos much.
Oh my God, these girls are taqueritos. We're on our way in. We're getting closer and closer.
Closer to the other. I wanna closer to taqueritos. I think I wanna sleep, but I can't because my brain is like this. Yeah, our brain is so focused on taqueritos we can't sleep, and I'm really so excited. I'm just like in the morning still. I'm so happy. The people in my school. The people in my school are still not awake.
I know. What time is it? It's like 5:20, right?
Yeah, they're still
About 5:20 in the morning.
Actually, no, there's this girl in my school. She has to wake up very early because her dad is a teacher.
Oh, wow.
So
Look
she's
our
awake.
shirts.
She should be in school by now.
Way too early for that.
Hey guys! So we're right now in the plane and I'm like so scared. I'm scared because we're going to DR for some reason, but I'm just excited for the taqueritos. I am excited for everything. And I am excited for my very long nap.
No, oh, yo pensé que
Sí.
yo no traje, ¿no?
I
Yo
bought mine.
lo iba a comprar y se me olvidó.
Never forget.
I'm literally so happy right now, bro. Oh.
What's up, guys?
Hey guys. So we're right now on the plane.
And I'm so excited for my very long nap and my coloring and everything that I'm going to be doing. So yeah.
Marina said they stole my seat.
And we stole my aunt's seat.
You did.
I stole my aunt's seat.
Yes.
Oh, and I also told you guys about my collab.
With CDS Moments, 100% not clickbait, 100% we don't see her every single Friday and Sunday.
What?
Don't tell, I never told you guys that we were gonna have this. So I somehow ate a donut and it somehow got to my ear and I don't know how. So
Yeah,
oh my god, it went 45
She
seconds.
was like this. Be mindful of your surroundings.
My ears are ready. Your ears got clogged already? Your ears got clogged, right? Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, this is so scary.
Oh, we up, we're up. We're up.
Oh my god.
We're up.
This is hilarious. We're literally lopsided right now. We're lopsided.
They don't understand. That's how it always starts. You feel it? You feel it? You feel it? It's so dramatic. Look at this one. Look at this one. Silly. So we're eating snacks now.
Snack hit different because she just
These are good, guys. These pretzels, super good. Granola bar and plantains, and of course, water. So we have a guest with us. Say hi. Saya. Love you. He came to the pool people. Oh my god, my hair is a mess. He came to the pool
each
people.
other in so
Okay guys, so I love that dog, it looks like Chipu.
Watching Little Mermaid. You took my grandma bar. If you wanted one, I could have told the lady. You wanted
No, I
one.
didn't want one. I'm just asking.
You have it. You have it.
the storage.
Yeah, I know. I cleaned it out though. My storage is always full. It's true.
Hey, my nose.
My no.
Hey guys, don't mind now, don't mind now. We're about to go down.
You caught that on camera.
Oh.
I always cover my mom, but this one time I didn't cover my mom. I'm so sorry.
Hey, blooper.
That was hilarious. I'm so sorry.
Hi everybody.
Everybody decided to go sleeping now when they could have later, so I'm the only one that's alive. So yeah.
There is no later.
Bruh.
Later we're gonna be in Cambodia.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Got any other items in that back pocket?
Landing silly.
Once again, please do a final check of your seat and in your seat back pockets and hand us anything you'd like to discard. Also, please check and secure any and all of your personal items you brought on board so that you don't leave anything behind, such as your cell phones, passports, or wallets. It's been our pleasure serving you this morning. We'll be landing shortly.
We'll be landing shortly. We're like, what, 10 minutes? We have like 10 minutes.
Oh, my ears are about to poppity. 3, 2, 1.
We're here.
Smells like Dominicana.
We're here.
Syria Moments channel.
What are you doing?
Playing a game.
We're waiting to leave, but we're all here. Melky's is outside, waiting for me.
My table.
Bro.
Happy
Melky's-
birthday
Oh!
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yo no me lo esperaba.
Happy birthday to my princess.
Yay! Thank you. This is so cute. I don't even know what's inside.
Adelante, ábrelo.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
No, es así normal. Es una caja.
Ah, okay.
Se abre así. Dame ayuda, espérate.
No, sal tú. Ten cuidado.
Lo primero es el de esmeralda.
Ah,
3 perfumitos.
ay, ese fue mi perfecto. Ay, gracias,
Sí,
Esmeralda.
porque ella dice que a ella le gustan los perfumes. Quisiera regalarle otra.
Ay, no, a mí me gustan los perfumes, no te preocupes. Esto es lo
Quisiera que
mío.
hagas-
¡Wow! ¡3!
Sí, quisiera regalarle algo más grande, pero.
¡No! Yo me conformo, a mí me encantan los perfumes. Mira qué chulitos son.
Y mi regalo está ahí, quiero que lo abra.
Oh my gosh! I'll smell them later. But look how cute, guys. I'm gonna put this in here.
Ahora quiero que hablas mi regalo.
Oh, this is it. Let me take a picture of it. All right. I'm opening it up.
En este aeropuerto hay una loquera.
Está peor que Santo Domingo, ¿verdad?
¡Ah! Un iPad. 128 gigabytes. Disfruta, amores. Enjoy. Ay, amor, I love you. Que la disfrute.
What?
Yes, un iPad.
¿Cómo tú me compraste esto? Oh my god, he got me an iPad. Oh my god. No way. Guys, he got me an iPad. Look how cute. Oh my god. Guys, thank you. Give me a kiss. Oh, wait, no. Don't give me a kiss. Sorry. Later. Oh my god, look at my perfect
iPad.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe.
4 veces el cero. O 6 veces.
6 veces. Guys, how did you do it? Thank you.
Ponte por aquí, ¿no?
Guys, I'm in the R. And yes, Mickey got me an iPad. Say hi.
Hi.
We're in the R, guys. We had to leave quick because, you know, when you're in the airport, you can't leave your car there for too long. So they were like rushing him to move the car. So we have to go like ASAP. But we'll see them again later on. So I think I'm going to end this vlog. So I won't make it too long. So I'll put this vlog together and then I'll probably vlog again later. It's only like 10:30 it says here. I don't know if that's the real time. Yeah, 10:28. So I'm sure we'll see them later. Well, we will see them later. And we'll see them later. And yeah, I'll probably do another vlog. So let me end this vlog, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys watch this vlog to the end, you guys can leave an airplane. I'm gonna put an airplane right here, and you guys gonna put it in the comment box, and that lets me know that you guys watched this to the end, the video to the end. So, look how zoom. Anyway, bye guys. I know they're so fast. Bye guys. God bless.